Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are, or hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for Euro USD. I'll be starting up with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has been bearish, got to resistance level around the 1.102 area, and then quickly bounced to the downside, passing this support level at 1.084, and then now has got into support level at 1.076. And that's what we are seeing on the weekly time frame. So price on the weekly time frame has been bearish so far. On the daily time frame, we can see price continuing that bearish run, and we can see when price got to resistance here, how price bounced to the downside, breaking through on the support level here and continue down to the next support level. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, which is the major time frame that we will be trading, we can see price here at this support level that was tested here and broken down. Price came back up to test it again, but couldn't break it, and then tested it again, couldn't break it, and then you can see this strong break to the upside. Price moved up a little bit and now it's come back down into that support level here, went up, came down, and then there was this sort of mild break, not a very strong break, I would say, because the candle stick that is piercing through this support level, this bearish candle here, it's not that strong because of this wick that is formed on both sides. So I would say there were a bit of bias. So there's a bit of battle here at this support level to see where price would head to directly. My bias, I would say, given what has happened on the weekly time frame, where we see this strong sell move, as well as the daily time frame, where we see price coming down as well, breaking through all the support levels. This daily time frame here, and then this candlestick formed here, it's not very convincing that price will move to the downside. So just because of this wick that has formed, if this was a bit of a stronger bearish candle where you had this very little shadow or this little wick here, rather than this very long wick, and price had closed it comfortably below this support level, then my bias would have been very strong towards the sell side. But looking at how price is at the moment, I'm still in the middle. My bias generally, like I said, is a sell, but I wouldn't rush to sell as of yet because I haven't seen any convincing signs to sell yet. But what I would say is wait for Monday candle to close, and if the next daily candle closes below this support level here, then most likely price will continue to the downside. But if the next candle or the next daily candle closes here bullish, that's a green candle that closes above this support level here, then we probably would be expecting price to go back up, possibly testing this 1.084 area. And because our bias is mostly sell, I will be expecting price to get here and then push back down. And when price does push back down, it will push strongly to break through this level. Unlike this sort of candle, but it will be a stronger candle that will break through. Or wait for the retest, and then we can take our sell trade again downwards, right? So that is the sort of thing I'm expecting from Euro USD in the coming few weeks. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, this more or less will be translated as price continuing this sort of let me take this out. Yeah, price continues sort of retracement to the top. You could see a bit of retracement here, right, until price gets into this 1.084 zone here, giving us a sell signal to take back down. And when price gets here, possibly breaking through it as well, and then continuing that sell trade to the downside. And that's what I'll be expecting in the long run for Euro USD. On the other hand, like I said, on the daily time frame, if price does not retrace back up there for the sell, what we can do is to take, if price just break through this candle on the next daily time frame and closes, we will wait for the retest and take our sell trades from here all the way to the downside, and that's what we will be doing. And we will be doing that on the 4-hour time frame. So what I would be expecting is price to come back down and close this way, bearish, and then when that happens, this more or less may be considered as a break and retest actually, because you will see it come down here, back up, and then if we get a strong bullish signal, a bearish signal to take us down, then you can consider that move as a break and retest. That on the 4-hour time frame would be a strong indication to take your sell. And if you do not trade on Mondays, as most people do not trade on Mondays, what you can do is to wait for that Monday candle on the daily time frame to close, and then show you where prices will be heading. But on the 4-hour time frame, if we see a strong bullish signal here down, maybe in the next couple of candles, that goes down and closes comfortably below this support level, I would say you can take your trade from there, and then price, I would expect, would continue all the way to the downside. Yeah, so that is what I'm looking at on the Euro USD time frame. On chat as well, I have released other videos on gold and GBP USD and GBP JPY. You can go check them out. If you like this video, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more daily and weekly analysis. I will try to release more videos on a daily basis, just to keep you up to date with what is happening on these major pairs. So thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely week ahead. Peace.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.